guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another group of entry. This first one is from Betty Waldeck. It's got a little note. Cute. Okay, so I think she just sent in a card, she made a card and sent it in blank right here. Unless you were supposed to write on this. But for me, so it slides out like that. This little like front little like die cut roses everywhere, and they even overlap on the back side. Thank you, girly. Okay, that was her note. You know what, maybe the note was in here and it fell out. No, I don't think so. Okay, so she has this cute little gorgeous girl right here on the front, and she's paper pieced him together and a little die cut folded in half like the bag topper, but she made her a paper clip so that it would come off easily. I could reuse. Look at her. So these are the die cuts. Look at, and she's assembled some of these for me because this is a lot of work and a lot of paper piecing, you guys. Look at the little girls, and she even like inked or colored the edges. Super cute. And look at all the pastel die cuts, little cups, vases, these little doilies, all sorts of doilies. And you guys, with all the entries, I am feeling so lucky. Super cute. Oh, look at this little fairy right here. Another little vase. These label style ones in blue, purple, and green, and in different sizes, you guys. Cute little, like, almost like dandelions in yellow. Little mason jars. Some more little labels. These are like little flower style ones. And they are all the good colors. Yes. Thank you, girly. That was way more than 10 die cuts. That was a lot. Okay, cute little topper. And then these are her embellishments. Oh, wait. I can take them out from the bottom right here. So she's made these cute, and she gave me some of these die cuts. The little vase, the doily, the little like dandelion style flower. I can make my own. And then it says a lucky right here, glued on top of the vase, layered several times. And then she has it on this like acetate piece, which is very neat. It's kind of like store-bought stuff when you take it off the acetate. So thank you so much for playing, girly. From Crystal, and then her mom's is next. They're a mother-daughter duo. Okay, let's get Crystal's. So that was Crystal's card she sent, and then it was like a little sticky note so that I could reuse the card. The Maggie Holmes papers. Look at this like felt trim right here. And then the back. And that's her Instagram and YouTube, Cruising with Crystal. And then these are her embellishments. Super embellished. She's got crepe paper, tulle, a regular paper rosette, and then like everything's puffed up as it goes up. So very embellished. Look how cute. The butterfly paper, the tulle. Look at the little bling on the front with the butterfly. Super cute, Crystal. And this one, take this bad boy out. Oh, dropping it again. She's layered it multiple times, and then she added a little feather to this one, you guys, sticking out up at the top. Little banner. Look at that cute little butterfly, little birdhouse. Super cute. Yes, girl. Okay, and then these are her die cuts. Pastel goodness. Oh, she made some like little confetti style where you like staple two of the same piece together. I love that look. And mint, pink, and purple. And then she has a little flower die cut in there as well in the same colors. Love, love, love. And then look at these, you guys. It's a little like carousel horse. So cute. And I love the pattern paper that you used. Look at the little dots. Those polka dots. So cute. And then pink, purple, and then like a cream color. Yes, girl, these are so cute. Thank you for playing. And then this next one is from Mildred. She's Needle on Point. And I will, like I said, they're a mother-daughter duo. So this is Mildred's entry. Hey, girly. So this is her embellishments, and then the die cuts are in the back. Cute little paper clip holding them together with the washi. Here, let me open these bad boys. So there's her info again. I will link everybody's information down below, you guys, so that you don't have to like go back and try to listen to what I said. She has a little shaker bits in there. So she altered like little Polaroid embellishments. Let me stand up. Look how cute. Look at this little bunny. He's like super puffed up, stickered, glittered. Look at this little flower right here. Loving life. Yes, yes, yes. Then we got this one right here. Look at the little fox. It says be happy. That's a purple frame. Super pretty, Mildred. And then these are her die cuts. Oh, look how cute. Oh, look at the little embossed balloon. Love that. Oh, look at this dainty ballerina. How cute is this die? So, so cute. Again, with the embossed balloons. Create little ballerinas again. And then these little scallop circles. Thank you, Mildred, for playing. Love your guys' entries. It's from Lauren Cunningham, which is her name on YouTube as well. And this is her entry right here. She had it wrapped up in some cute tinfoil, or not tinfoil, tissue paper. She sent all sorts of goodies, you guys. What is going on here? Oh, so this is like a, she just made like a tag flip. Oh my gosh, girl. Okay, so look at this right here. Let's look at the topper. She's layered it multiple times. Maggie Holmes die cuts right here. Look how cute. So this is like really, it's like chipboard or something, really thick. She's got the little lace hanging out. It says friends. There's a couple like little glitter, the shaker bits in there. She's got the trim hanging out. Die cuts behind there. Another layer. And then this one, shaped kind of like a rectangle style, label style. And then she's like inked the edges in like gold. That's like real gold. I love this so much. A memory to hold. I know this says something, but there's some little shaker bits on there. And look at all the fun shaker sequins in there, you guys. All sorts of fun shapes too. Super cute, Lauren. Love, love, love. And then look at this. So she's got this little keychain ring, and then she's got all these little tassel fibers hanging down, and all the fun colors and textures. Oh, I even hear a bell somewhere. Where is that noise coming from? Okay, I'm losing my mind. I swear there's a bell somewhere. I don't see a bell though. Now look at this cute little ball shaker, you guys. It's got the little rainbow stars in there. Okay. Oh my gosh. So this is like a die cut. Girl, this is way more than... She sent a die cut flip book, you guys. Or tag flip. That's what I meant to say. Oh my gosh. What is in here? These ones look itty bitty. Should probably leave them in here, huh? Lost in the madness. Oh my gosh, she's cut out so many, you guys. Look at this. Tiny little butterflies, flowers. Oh my gosh. Girl. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so this next one right here, she's got cute little flowers in there. I see some angel wings, it looks like. Cute little tags with the flower piece on top. Oh my gosh. A little like ticket booth. Super cute. And then this next little flag, we got some circles and some like scallop style flower ones. The back, yes, yes. Oh, these ones are cute. These are like border strips. She's got the little wavy ones, little like jagged alligator teeth style. Look at that little fence in the background. Look at this little carnival, like silhouette of a carnival. She's got this little banner right here. So cute. And then this one, ooh, we got like beach theme, so a little like lighthouse, some water waves, says beach, the little grass that blows in the wind. Look at that cute little chair. Love it. Then this one got cute little like, they fold up and make like little envelope, I guess envelopes, yeah. I'm saying the wrong thing. And the back one is like a little, those pillow box style ones where you fold them all in. So cute. She's cut it out multiple times, you guys, like all sorts of papers, at least like 6 times it looks like. Thank you, girly. And then this fancy one, this looks like a pillow box, yes. And she's cut it out in fun like pastel colors. And then this last one, it's a almost like a background layering style one. Oh, I like that. And then she's cut it out in gold metallic as well. Lauren, you sent so many die cuts. So many. Thank you. Very fun way to send them. Thanks for playing. It's from Heidi Deelstra. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. She's artbunnies_Amsterdam on Instagram, and I will link her down below. She's all the way from the Netherlands entry, you guys. So, oh, not that one. So fun. This was her little note card with her note on the back. And look at you guys. She tagged me and I saw, look at this bouquet, you guys. And I don't know what that is. Extra, oh, yeah. She said extra goodies from the Europe shops, the shops in Europe. Okay, look at this, you guys. Let me try to, got a little handmade with love on the back. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. She's got the cute little flowers layered up. I think this is just part of the paper that she decorated. But she's got the cute little glittered, look at those butterflies. Glittered plants. And then look at this little bouquet, you guys. It says date night, and it's got the little, like, she's got, like, what is that called? Like twine? I can't even think. Look at this, you guys. It's a glittered layered, look at that, all the flower die cuts hanging out of this little bouquet. How cute is that? Love it. And then this one she's made into like a shaker. Look, it's got one of those hanging plants, and again she's got the gold foiling, the glittering, absolutely so sparkly and stunning. It says spread love. It's got the, look at the little die cuts, you guys, the little hanging plant. Look at the shaker bits in there. So cute, Heidi. So cute. And then these are her die cuts. Oh! She sent the plants for me. Look how cute. Well, I'll leave those guys right there in the back because you can see them. Look at an orange one, a pink one, and a blue one with different style like plants hanging out, you guys. Look how pretty this die is. This is so pretty. Okay. And then look. Some other. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is like a handmade for you in like a really pretty gold. Look at this pink one. This one says hello, like a Polaroid style. And look at these umbrellas. Yes. Look at, oh, I love this. Hello in pink and mint. Oh, I love these colors. And then look at these ones. Scalloped circles. Oh, look at this like label style and that glitter. Yes, girl. And look at this. Ooh. I like this ticket die way more than the like ticket punch than I have. This is, I like these. Thank you, girly. She made me some. Okay, and then these are little goodies she sent. Look how cute. Oh, I don't have any of this. Oh my gosh. Look at these. They're like glass or resin or something. Look at that. Those are gorgeous. Oh, how pretty. I love those. Oh my gosh. You guys, Heidi, I don't know if you're following me on Instagram, but I remember posting this in my stories. When I saw these from like overseas, I tried to like reenact them. But look, now I have some. Look at the gold dots. Oh, the pink, the gold. These are so pretty. All over the world. So fun. Thank you. Love those. Oh, how cute. So it's like little stickers that I could just stick on the back of like how she did hers right there. The handmade with love. They're like little craft style stickers and all sorts of different like parts, rectangles. Oh my gosh. I love that one. Well made, handmade. So cute. Ah, this one. I tried, kind of. Yes. Okay, and then she sent some more stickers. Look how cute. It's like little couples. Says, I love you. Little breakfast in bed. Let's stay in bed. How fun are these? Little croissants. Super cute. Thank you, girly. Yes, I definitely don't have any of these. I mean, I did try to reenact these, but I don't have these. Yay! I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, so that concludes this group of girls, and I will catch you guys on the next video.